So with millions of people now working from home or losing their jobs, what's the best online business to start? Is it e-commerce, eBay, Amazon dropshipping? So many options out there. Well, in this video, I'm going to reveal to you my favorite way to make money online. That's with affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you exactly how much I made in the last 30 days and how you can get started as a complete beginner. Guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of videos on how to grow your online business, how to grow your YouTube channel, and of course, affiliate marketing. So let's get into it. So why affiliate marketing? Why do I think this is the best option moving forward? So first of all, with drop shipping, obviously, you know, with all the stuff going around in China, you can't do drop shipping right now. It's literally like almost impossible to do drop shipping. Now, I'm not saying drop shipping is dead. I think it will come back. But at this, you know, the time of recording this video, it's not going to be a viable option. So with affiliate marketing, I'll tell you why this is the best option right now. And I'll show you proof because I'll show you income proof here in a little bit. But with affiliate marketing, you can literally promote digital products and get paid for it. And it could be any products that you want to promote. For me, I promote products on how to make money online. I promote software. I promote email software, stuff like that, right? But you don't have to do that. You can be in the fitness niche. You can promote fitness courses or fitness software, whatever it is, right? It doesn't really matter. Affiliate marketing can work for any niche, right? So that's basically how it works, okay? And the cool thing is you don't have to deal with customer support. You don't have to create a product. Literally, it's the coolest, easiest business model to get started. Now, I say easiest, but it's not simple. Like, it's simple, but it's not easy, meaning it takes a little bit to get started. You have to learn the basics, and I'm going to show you kind of how you can get started and how it all works. Okay, let me show you. Here's some screenshots here. Not really screenshots. This is the actual page here. You can see. I'll refresh it for you guys. But here's one of my affiliate marketing programs here. You can see in the last 30 days, I did almost $3,000 here. I did $1,000 yesterday. Here's one of my merchant accounts, almost $4,000 here in the last month. And then here's another one here for a little over $3,000. So $10,000 in the last month. And, you know, March has been, you know, one of the worst months in like the U.S. history, the most unemployment rates. People are losing their jobs. And, you know, this sucks, right? But there's an opportunity to make some money online, especially if you're looking for a job or if you need something to start. Affiliate marketing is the way to go, guys. And I'm going to show you exactly how to get started and how you can start making income right away. Okay, so like I said, so the way it works is you promote a product or a software depending on your niche. So for me, my niche is make money online. So I promote software and products in that niche, right? So it doesn't really matter what you're doing, but I'll show you my strategy and how you can get started as well. Okay. So what I do, guys, okay, just in a nutshell, okay, and I have more like tactical videos, but in this video, I'm going to go just kind of over the strategy of it, okay? So what I do is I have YouTube content, and I do basically video reviews and basically education on how to do certain things, right? So in my niche, so how to create a funnel, how to create a website, or how to start affiliate marketing, or how to start online business. See, I'm creating all these videos. And then I have an offer or a affiliate offer at the bottom in the description. People go to that description, they click, and then they buy. And I literally, that's all I do. I don't have to make the product. I don't have to do the customer support. Literally the best business model. All I got to do is drive traffic. Okay. Now that being said, traffic is not easy. Okay. Traffic's probably one of the hardest parts for an online business. Okay. For me, I use YouTube. I want to give you guys a few other options if you don't want to use YouTube. But YouTube's definitely my favorite option, okay? All right, so there's YouTube. That's one option. Another option is Pinterest. So this is my Pinterest account here. So you can see I have a ton of pins where I promote affiliate products, affiliate offers, and I'm sending them to that. Like I said, same thing. I'm creating content. I'm sending them to my affiliate offer, okay? Another option you can do, guys, is blogging, okay? If you don't want to get on camera, if you don't want to do anything like that, this is a great way to do it. Basically, you can write articles. For me, I give people content, free stuff, and then within the content, then there's affiliate links to buy, the products I'm promoting, right? So that's one thing you can do. Here's my blog here. Here's an example of a blog. And guys, all these methods I have on my YouTube channel. So if you're brand new to my channel, go through. I have a ton of videos where I show you how to set up a website. I show you how to set up a YouTube channel. I show you how to do Pinterest. I literally have all these methods to drive traffic, okay? So there's no shortage of traffic, trust me there, okay? All right, another method you can do is Facebook, okay? So Facebook's really, really powerful because you can get traffic typically pretty fast, okay? Here's my Facebook group here. So my Facebook group has almost 3,000 members, and you can see the first post inside the group is, I give them free stuff, but I also give them there's links to my affiliate offers, to my software. You can see my resource section inside here. So guys, there's so many ways you get traffic to your affiliate offers, okay? Now, like I said, this video is more of a like a higher level strategy. I'm not going to get into the nitty gritty tactics, but the goal is to drive traffic from content you create to the affiliate offer, okay? And that's basically it, okay? And if you want to learn more on the actual strategy, like how to create the funnels and the emails and the actual strategy, check out this video here. Where I show you the exact strategy, but I just want to let you guys know why you need to start affiliate marketing in 2020. And especially now, people are working from home. They're looking for an opportunity to make extra money, guys. You can be that person for them, okay? So great time to get started. Now, I have a few options for you to get started, okay? Option number one is watch my free YouTube videos. I have a ton of videos showing you how to start affiliate marketing, and how to get started from beginning to end, okay? That's option number one, okay? Option number two, go to my free Facebook group, okay? Passive Income Lifestyles. And in my free Facebook group, I have videos, tutorials, free content in there to show you how to get started, okay? That's option number two. Option number three, guys, I have a free affiliate marketing course, and I'm going to link these all below, okay? These are all going to be linked down below, okay? This is my free affiliate marketing course to show you how to start an affiliate marketing business with a blog, okay? This will also be linked down below. This is my free course, 100% free, guys. You don't even need to enter your email. You can literally start this course today and start getting your business off the ground, okay? The whole thing is laid out in steps. You can see here, step-by-step guide, how to set up your website, how to do all that stuff here, okay? So that's option number 4, I believe. Yeah, number 4 or 3. I don't know. And then the last option, which is the one I recommend, is a step-by-step course for a complete beginner, okay? Let me show you what this is, okay? This is a 15-day challenge that literally takes you from an absolute beginner to basically an expert. And this is the program that I highly, highly recommend that you start. It's only $7, okay, by the way. It's $7. And they take you through the whole system on how to start your affiliate marketing business, how to get, how to, build your first funnel, how to build an email list, all the stuff that you actually need to build an affiliate marketing business, okay? So this will be linked in the first link in the description below. Like I said, this option is only $7. And this is the one I recommend, okay? But if you're looking for a free option, guys, I have tons of options for you. I have my YouTube channel. I have my blog. I have my Facebook group. I have so many things, guys, for you for free, okay? But if you want to invest yourself, if you want to actually learn in a step-by-step method, this is the program I recommend, okay? Only $7 to get started. Links in the description below. You enter your email, watch the videos, learn about it, and start the challenge, okay? You can literally, when I first started this, I went through day 1 through 5, and literally the first day because I was so excited. So, guys, hop on this as soon as you can. Start learning, especially people now are at home, and start making some money, guys. Let's go. I want to help you guys start your online business, okay? This is 2020. You have to be doing stuff online. You have to, okay? It's not an option anymore, guys, especially with all this stuff going on. You have to do something online. Even if you do e-commerce or Amazon, that's fine. But I'm giving you my opinion on why this is the best method. I did e-commerce. I did Amazon. I did eBay. I did crypto. I've done everything. And affiliate marketing is the best thing, okay? 100% with you guys. If you guys know my story, I started affiliate marketing in May 2019. I worked as an electrical engineer. I hated my job. And I quit in March 2020, and I'm doing this full time now. I love it. I'm making well over $10,000 a month, and that's a lot of that is reoccurring monthly revenue. So I can literally stop working, and I'm still making that money. So very, very powerful business once you get it off the ground and you start learning the basics. So guys, I hope this video was of value. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm going to be coming out with some amazing content every single day. I really want to help you guys. I want to, be there for you in my Facebook group and, get on some lives, Q&As, everything that I can to help you guys. Okay. So subscribe, guys, like this video, and let's make some money, and we'll talk soon. Oh, I did want to tell you guys something. Okay. Inside my Facebook group. Okay. Once you're inside the group, okay, you have to enter your email to get in the group. Okay. I have a free Clickfunnels course as well. Okay. So, there's a step. There's a, step number 1 is my free course. Step number 2, subscribe. Step number 3 and 4, I give you some free stuff. And then step number 5 is I give you a free course as well. Okay. So make sure you go to the group and get all the free stuff that I have in there, guys. Anyways, subscribe to the channel, and we'll talk to you guys soon.